Hello and welcome to 12-Minute Meditation, a podcast from Mindful and Mindful.org that offers mindfulness meditations backed by neuroscience. If you've been practicing, you know that 12 minutes of meditation a day can yield benefits like increased attention, focus and creativity, calm, resilience, and compassion. The latest scientific research supports this knowledge, so on this podcast, we invite you to do your 12-minute practice with guided meditations from today's leading mindfulness experts. I'm Ava Whitney Coulter, editor and social media manager at Mindful and Mindful.org. This week, Lynn Rossy offers 4 ways to savor the dance of cooking. Lynn says delicious is the term used to describe the type of food she hopes to eat, but also the way in which she moves. Delicious means enjoyable, delightful, and pleasant, and we can bring that perspective into the kitchen as we cook. For this practice, find a quiet spot to listen and visualize with Lynn's guidance, or bring this podcast with you into the kitchen when you go to cook your next meal. When Lynn's instructions end, you can continue to meditate, journal, or cook, reflecting on Lynn's offering until you hear the sound of the final bell. You'll find this practice as a web extra to our guide to mindful movement in the April issue of Mindful magazine. You can find the April issue of the magazine now on newsstands, or you can check it out on mindful.org. While you're here, we would love for you to leave us a review. Your review helps other listeners decide whether 12-minute meditation is right for them. For now, for you, here's Lynn Rossy.
Come to a yoga class with me, and you'll hear me say, move in a way that feels delicious. Delicious means enjoyable, delightful, and pleasant. And we can bring that perspective into the kitchen as we cook. Here are some tips to help you do a little dance the next time you prepare a meal. Number 1, turn on some music. I love to start the process of cooking by setting the mood. Something upbeat gets my body moving into action. Number 2, feel your body moving. There are many movements required in the cooking process. Pay attention to the muscles stretching as you reach for ingredients in the top of the cabinet. Practice your squat as you bend down low. Pay attention to the muscles in your arms as you cut those carrots and knead that bread. Number 3, pause for a breath and a smell. Cooking can be physically demanding. Pause for a breath and take time to smell the growing aroma of the kitchen. Smile and take your next dance step with curiosity and love. Four, make it into a dance. Feel your body moving from place to place as you attend to the food cooking on the stove. Glide to the countertop to cut some more vegetables and to the cupboard for ingredients. If another person is in the kitchen, turn it into a couple's dance. Honor the space needed for each of you so you don't end up spilling the beans on the floor.
Thank you for practicing with this episode of 12-Minute Meditation from mindful and mindful.org. I hope you enjoyed practicing with us.